Hello friends, this is Mike with GP Transco. This is 2019 Volvo VNL 760. The truck is right now for sale. If you are interested in this truck, please call me or text me at 708-983-5822. Truck has 444,000 miles. It's got the I-Shift automatic transmission and D13 VOLVO engine. And I'm gonna show you the truck and all around. I'll show you all the details. I'll start the engine. I'll try to show you as much as I can. So we just pulled this truck from over the road about a week ago, a little bit more than a week ago, and right now it's ready for sale. So if you are interested, please call me. We're gonna start from the front, and the truck is pretty nice. Doesn't have any damages, as you see the front. Also, I'd like to mention the truck has LED headlights and fog lights. That's I think it's very important. If you're asking about the truck, this truck number is 19140. Here's the VIN number. And if you call me, just mention the truck number or mention the mileage, because all our trucks for sale are between 440 to 449,000 miles. So as you see on the side, it's very clean, no damages, no scratches. There's few rock chips in front. That's from pretty much normal use. A little bug over here. Here's the hood, no damage. And the driver's side, same as the bumper. Bumper is okay. You see there's no damage. The truck has the lane departure system and the collision sensor. The steer tires are new. They're Bridgestone R213. I'll show you the tires when I open the hood and start the engine. So here's the side of the truck. So there's no damage anywhere. I don't see any scratches. I know there's one little dent on the doors, on the driver's door, and maybe you can see it here. I hope you can see it on the video. If not, it's over here. But other than that, there's no other dents or anything like scratches or any other paint damage. Here's the bottom fairing. And the rear fairing. Here's the back. I put all the truck specs in the description of the video, so you can see I don't have to talk about it. Sometimes I make mistakes during making the video. I never pre-planned the video, I just recorded live. So here are the tires and the frame. There's no rust on the frame at all. No oil leaks. All trucks that we sell are ready to go on the road. They have fresh DOT inspection, fresh PM service. So basically you just put a driver in it and then you can drive. And here's the other side. Here's the rear fairing. I don't see any issues here. Over here we had something like that, but those rubber pieces, they always fall off or get damaged. Here's the rear wing, top cap, driver's doors. Okay, let me open the hood and I'm going to start the engine so you can listen. And I'll show you the steer tires. The truck is also very clean inside. There's no smell or anything like that. I'll show you the interior in a second. I'm gonna open the hood. As you see, the truck mileage is 444. And we'll go inside in a second. You can see the lights are on. So this is the steer tire. As you see, it's brand new. The engine label. We never wash the engines because we want the buyer to see how the engine looked before, so we never wash the engine. Here's the steer tire. We're gonna hop inside and I'll show you the interior, and maybe we'll do a little test drive. Here are the lights. Okay, I'm gonna slow down with the AC a little bit. So over here, here's a new DOT inspection. This will be provided to the buyer. It's from today, 6/23. Here's the mileage. As you see, no check engine lights or anything like that. Here's the steering wheel, dashboard. Coffee. Alright, so let's show you the seats. Oops. So here are the seats. You can see a little bumpy here, but if you do like this, it's gone. So here's the driver's seat, passenger seat. I would say it's very okay. The truck comes with the big inverter. It's a 3000 watt inverter, and the fridge. Here's the factory fridge with the freezer. As I said before, this truck does not have APU. It comes with the microwave and the TV mount. They all came with the factory. Also, I have few other Volvos like this. I mean, I'm going to have few other Volvos like this. And so if you're interested, just call me. My phone number is 708-983-5822, or you can text me. This is my cell phone. So here's the headliner in the back. I think we have to clean the headliner again. I don't think the cleaners even touched it. We can do it before the sale. And here's the new mattress. And here's the underneath of the bed. Okay, we're gonna take it for a little spin. So you can see how it drives. If I remember right, the transmission has a 750,000 mile warranty, or it's 500,000 mile warranty. I believe it's 750, and that's it from Volvo. This is for all the I-shift transmissions. Alright, I hope this is enough, and I hope to see any of you buyers soon. Thank you.